Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix Bluetooth not working in Windows 11. Windows Bluetooth issues fall into the chronic category as they have continued to flourish for ages. So you shouldn't curse yourself for having to run into the frustrating Bluetooth problem on your Windows device. The good thing is I have already jotted down the best tips and tricks to fix this annoying problem. That said, let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to check the Bluetooth settings on your Windows device. To do so, you just have to press the Windows plus A keys at once to launch the quick settings panel. And then you have to check the Bluetooth icon and ensure that it is active. Alternatively, you can open the settings app on your Windows device and then choose Bluetooth and devices. And then you have to make sure that the Bluetooth toggle is live and kicking as usual. Then I will recommend you to make sure your Bluetooth device is not running low on power. Another important thing that you must check off right off the bat is to ensure that your Bluetooth device is not running low on power. And then I would suggest you to check the airplane mode. Make sure that the airplane mode is disabled on your PC. Just head over to the settings app and then choose network and internet. And then ensure that the toggle for airplane mode is turned off. If the Bluetooth is already active on your device, turn it off. And then you have to restart your PC and then turn the Bluetooth toggle back on. After that, I would recommend you to restart your PC. A simple restart often proves to be pretty handy in fixing miscellaneous Windows issues. Therefore, I would recommend you to give it a go as well. To do so, just hit the Start menu and then click on the power icon and then choose the Restart option in the menu. And then I will recommend you to restart your Bluetooth services. More often than not, you can fix the persistent Bluetooth issues on your PC by just rebooting the Bluetooth services. Considering how effective this Bluetooth solution has long been, it would be wise to give it a shot as well. To do so, you just have to press Windows plus R keys to bring up the Run dialog. And then you have to enter services.msc and hit Enter. And then you have to find Bluetooth Support Service option and then you have to right click on it. And then you have to choose the Restart option in the menu. And once again you have to right click and choose Properties option. And then you have to set Startup Type to Automatic. And then you have to click on the Apply button and hit OK. Next up, I would suggest you to factory reset your Bluetooth device. The problem could also be deeply related to your Bluetooth device. Therefore, try factory resetting the device to check if it does the trick for you. And then I would suggest you to update your Bluetooth drivers. If your PC is dealing with corrupted or outdated Bluetooth drivers, it could very well be the major culprit of the whole chaos. Just press the Windows plus X keys at once and choose the Device Manager option in the list. And then you have to expand the Bluetooth section. And then you have to right click on your Bluetooth adapter generally labeled wireless or Bluetooth. And then you have to hit the driver tab at the top. And then you have to click on Update Driver option. And then you have to search automatically for drivers and then install the latest update. Another reliable solution that I would recommend you to try is to update your Bluetooth device. So check if there is an update available for your Bluetooth device via the companion app. If there is one, download and install it sooner rather than later. And then I would suggest you to reinstall the Bluetooth drivers on your PC. Just in case there is no option to update the Bluetooth drivers, I would recommend you to uninstall and reinstall the Bluetooth drivers on your Windows device. To do so, you just have to press Windows plus X keys and then choose Device Manager. And then you have to expand the Bluetooth section and right click on your Bluetooth adapter, typically named as wireless or Bluetooth. And then you have to select the driver tab at the top. And then you have to click on Uninstall Device option and confirm it. And then you have to restart your computer to allow it to reinstall the driver automatically. And then I would suggest you to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter on your device. Slightly buried in the Windows setting exists a built-in tool to let you troubleshoot the Windows issue. Therefore, I would recommend you to give it a chance as well. To do so, you just have to hit the Start menu and then choose the Settings tab. And then you have to select the System tab in the left sidebar. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose troubleshoot option. And then you have to select other troubleshooters option. And then you have to find the Bluetooth section, and then you have to hit the run button, and then you have to launch the troubleshooter, and then you have to go through the on-screen instructions. However, if the problem continues, I would recommend you to repair your Bluetooth device. To do so, you just have to launch the settings app on your PC and then choose Bluetooth devices, and then select the Bluetooth device in question, and then you have to hit the remove device option and confirm it. And then you have to restart your computer and reconnect the Bluetooth device. And now is the right time to reset the network settings. If you are still struggling to resolve the Bluetooth issues on your PC, reset the entire network settings to factory default because it has the knack of fixing Bluetooth related problems. To get it done, you just have to launch the settings app on your PC and then choose network and internet option in the left sidebar. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose advanced network settings. And then you have to select network reset option. And then you have to click on reset now button and confirm to get rid of all the network adapters and reset your network settings. And finally, I would recommend you to update your Windows device because I suspect that a software bug might be causing the problem. To do so, you just have to hit the start button and choose the settings app. And then you have to choose Windows Update option. And then you have to download and install the latest Windows update. And there you have it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix Bluetooth not working in Windows 11. Hopefully you have gotten the better of the problem and now Bluetooth has started to work as usual on your Windows device. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it, and I'll catch you up in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.